All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about, should you stop buying cryptocurrency? I mean, right now the markets are completely down. There's wars going on. Should you stop buying? Or is this the time to be buying? I don't know. We're going to kind of dig into a couple articles, couple philosophies on this. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. I'll go on the channels to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So we're going to go looking at some coins and looking at some different things. So we're not featuring any coin today. We're talking about, should you stop buying cryptocurrency? I mean, the world's crazy right now. There's wars going on. There's COVID going on. Is this the time to just turn it off and say, you know what, I'm done with it? Or is this the time to say, you know what, maybe I should cost average my pricing and basically reposition myself, get myself in more projects or reload up on projects? Because again, you have to ask yourself, if you believe that the project is going to be around in 6 months or in 16 months or in 3 years from now, let's say Solana, Cardano. I mean, if there's some projects that you absolutely like and there's this little bump in the road, again, when you look at the 1 year graph or you look at the 2 year graph, you know, there's the dip, obviously, and then the things bounce back. So this is where, what is it, what should you do? So we're going to go over to CoinMarketCap, crypto bubbles, and check out a few different things. So over here at CoinMarketCap, I mean, Bitcoin's at 38,000 right now, kind of bounced back up. It was down to 35. It's down 5%. It bounced back 4%. Not too bad. Ethereum's at 20, almost 2,600. It's down 10%. So it's making its way back a little bit. BNB's down 10% right this second. Now here's the Cardano down 17%. Now Luna, if you take a look, Luna's already bounced back. 27% up in the last 7 days. Luna's actually up 11% in 24 hours. So Luna project's already bouncing back, which is a great sign. Dogecoin is down, you know, the 12%. And then, you know, you got 12.5%, 12.2 cents. It's down 3% for the day. So it says right here, avoid making the mistake when the crypto market crashes. You know, what should you do, everybody? See, the warning bell of crypto market crash started ringing from the beginning of the year. Unfortunately, the warning bell turns to a siren today when Russia sent troops into eastern Ukraine to open fire. The markets around the world came crashing down like a pack of cards, wiping away the majority of the gains over the last year. For many, the crypto price seemed to be lucrative, as most of the coins are down right now 60% from all-time highs. So that's where 60%, this may be the time you're kind of looking to do something. The buy and the dip sprung up mushrooms on social media, urging investors to make this use of an opportunity. Why, in the truth, the majority of the tokens are now up for sale. One shouldn't blindly be buying the dip. This is where you really want to do your homework. So if you're not buying, okay, so what about this? When things are up and everybody, and the coins are going crazy, everybody has no problem putting their money in because everything's up. Okay, so you think that should be opposite, because when everything's up, why would you want to put your money in? When everything's up, you're paying the highest thing. When everything's down like it is right now, you should all want to get in, but everybody's nervous and stuff. So it's kind of a weird thing. But again, you know, if like the crab game, Cardano, if you believe in that game and you think it's a good thing, maybe this is the time to get your 3 crabs or get your 1 crab to get started. Strong nodes. You know, if you think Strong Nodes is a great project and you've been watching all these YouTubers talk about how fantastic Strong Nodes are, well, Strong Nodes within 30 days were 600 a coin, then 400, 500 a coin, 350 coin. It's like 240 a coin. So if you believe in Strong Node project, right now would be the time to actually get your 10 coins to form a node, because if this bounces back, again, you believe in the, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Again, all this is speculation. Nobody knows anything. We're just speculating, so we're all friends here. But again, if you like strong node projects, this would be a time to form your nodes. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. You know, it says crypto crash lessons. Never ignore your risk appetite. Every individual has his or her appetite of fear in investing anything beyond what they can afford to lose. The rule was built in a defense mechanism to save us from the damage that can be undone. So you definitely want to be careful. Don't only invest what you can, lose to invest. Don't be investing your whole entire life savings, maybe 5% or 3%, a percentage. Here's one of the things that says why everything is in a loss and many cryptos are the unbelievable discount. Ding, 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 discount right now. The mind automatically starts to begin to calculate. If I invest big now, could I get a big return when the market is up? You got to be careful. Why the calculating is true, it doesn't. That if the dip is any further, the risk of the appetite takes on the beating. Never ignore your risk appetite during the crypto crash. As low as 50% can happen in one day and goes down 90% the next, especially during a war. So, yep, it's a war right now, possibly, everybody. So, one of the things that we wanted to go over was crypto bubbles. Now, take a look at all these coins that are red. This would be a great time to find some coins that are up. So, you can find, like right here, NIF right here, it's up 85%. For the year, my face is covering it a little bit. It's up 193. So if you're more in favor of going with the coin that's up crazy, you got an 85% uptick this week. But if you're looking for the discount buy, if you're looking, look at everything. If I go to my favorites right here, all my favorites are down. SafeMoon is down 26%. Anchor's down 18%. VVS Finance is down 17%. Dogecoin Mars is down 13%. So again, let's say I go to the top 300, and then look, GTN's up 98%. But over here, you could find something this is down 28%. This one's down 31%. This is down 27%. So these crypto bubbles could be a great way to find the discount buy that you're looking for, or you should maybe have your favorites already loaded in here. I could put another 5 or 6 easily into my favorites here, but it's another technique of looking at that. Here's the thing with the war. Bitcoin falls 7% as Russia invades Ukraine. Experts say the Fed's U-turn on the rate hike is unlikely. Come on, Feds. You're going to raise the rates while we got a war. It's a catch-22 situation for the Feds. Uncertain posing risk to financial market stability, and oil moves above $100 likely to boost the inflation here. The Federal Reserve's chairman announced cancellation of the March rate hikes and extension to the QE actors produced. Bitcoin right here, it says down 7.2% over the past 24 hours. It was down as low as 35,000 at the time of this writing. It's actually a little bit higher right now. So luckily that's good. However, the experts do not foresee a complete U-turn by the Feds. It's hard to imagine the Feds completely walking back on its own hike in the March rate. So even with the war going on, we still may have these hiked rates coming up from the Feds. I don't know. It's a uncertainty of everything. COVID, the war, invasions and stuff. The market's going to take a beating. But, again, if you're a long-term investor, if you're looking for the long term, we don't want war. We want to pray for everybody over there. It's real sad and stuff like that. But this could be a time to actually reposition yourself. So make sure you check that out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, this could be a good time to talk about Drip Network. Drip Network pays 1% a day. Every single day, your initial investment, $365. So even when the coin's down, maybe your snowballs a little bit, but it's still kicking off 1% every single day. So Drip Network, I'm going to leave my buddy link at the bottom. You may want to check that out. And when you project what it's going to look like in 100 days or 200 days or 300 days, that's a great passive income project. Nodes, the strong nodes. The Drip Garden's a great project. Buying pigs, buying dogs is a good project. The piggy bank's a good project. Forex Shark, all kinds of good stuff going on. What is my opinion? Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. I'm actually going to recost some of my nodes. I'm probably going to get some more nodes going on the next day or so. I'm going to figure out which ones I like. And again, when I got in, when the price was higher, I already believed that the good project, because I did my research. So I'm going to be actually getting some more nodes started and stuff. So all right, don't forget to hit that like button. So last thing here, again, should you buy cryptocurrency? That's all based on your risk tolerance. What are your thoughts here? If you're in cryptocurrency, we said months ago, you got to strap in. It could go up 100% one day, down 100% the other day, to the left, to the right. Cryptocurrency is kind of it's all over the board sometimes, but there's great projects. The Drip Network's a fantastic project. All right, don't forget to click right here to see my most recent video. Click over here so you can see the video about Drip Network. My link will be in the bottom if you need a buddy. Thanks for tuning in. And hey, everybody, we'll see you a little bit later on today.